Hi.
Happy 4th of July.
That's pretty.
It'd be fun to be out in an airplane tonight. You're just looking down, seeing all the pilots.
Remember, we just in this thing. So they must have this whole street, because I see cops from as far down as I can see down there, and I can see them all the way down here. So what street is this?
Road Miller.
This is Road Miller Street? Alright, so they got the whole street on there. Oh, yeah, this is Hermitage Road, you're right. Oh, that one's so... Oh,
Those are unbelievable.
I love that castle.
We found it had fireworks together.
I know!
Remember, I was like, next year for sure.
Mom. Of course. Oh, I was about to say, that looks like the bag. Oh, that was I feel like Teddy's so stupid.
Well, I know, I just
No
want
one's
to cuddle
with
with
him.
Teddy. Oh. Oh.
Learn how to young.
Can you hold this side?
I can. And I will.
Oh, that's funny.
I trust you. That's proud.
Whoa! We literally got the best view right here.
Yeah. Remember?
I know.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Oh, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck.
Hey, Bonnie.